Good day Philippines, good day Abra. You are tuned into Balita Ngayon, delivering news beyond the headline. In the service of people, I am Francie Mitz Grande. In the news point, trending ngayon ang Instagram story ni Jamela Villanueva, ex-girlfriend ng rising actor na si Anthony Jennings, matapos nitong i-expose ang totoong dahilan ng kanilang hiwalayan. Ayon sa post ng dalaga, I've been trying to hold myself through everything that's happening. But after hearing all the things said behind me about my characters, I can't stay silent any longer. I just need to share my truth. Inilahad ng dalaga ang mga litrato ng mga mensahe ng kanyang ex-boyfriend at love team nito na si Maris Racal, na siya namang nakakuha ng atensyon ng mga netizens. Umulan ng viral memes ang mga ito. Ngunit, paano nga ba lumalawak ang virality ng isang memes? Ating alamin kay Kuya Jun.
Salamat, Francie. The term meme was originally introduced by Richard Dawkins in 1972 to describe the concept of cultural transmission. Memes are image, video, and pieces of text typically humorous in nature that is copied and spread rapidly by internet user, often with slight variation. Kumakalat ang mga memes sa pamamagitan ng pag-share sa iba't ibang social media tulad ng Facebook, Instagram, YouTube at TikTok, na siyang kinakaliwan ng mga bata tulad na rin ng mga matatanda. Ngunit bukod sa pag-share sa social media, ating alamin kung bakit lumawak ang virality ng isang memes. Alamin natin kay Ate Bandulin.
Salamat Kuya Jundi. Bukod sa pag-share sa social media, isang factor ang tumutulong sa pagpapalawak ng virality ng isang meme. Ito ay ang theoretical anchoring. Theoretical anchoring significantly contributes to a meme's virality by providing a framework for understanding its appeal and potential for spread. Theories like emotional contagion theory help identify the emotion triggers that make a meme resonate with viewers. Memes that evoke strong emotions, whether positive or negative, are more likely to be shared. Also, social norms and trends, memes that align with current social trends and norms are more likely to embraced and shared by the online community. By applying this theoretical insight, meme creators can increase their chances of creating viral content that resonates with their target audience and spread rapidly across social media platforms. Para sa karagdagang balita ngayon, Jessa Thea Ariola.
Maraming salamat, Ivy. Theoretical anchoring of knowledge is a research framework that involves defining knowledge, and all knowledge are acquired through learning. Anchoring is also a cognitive bias that describes the tendency to rely too heavily on the first piece of information. Maaring naging patok ang mga memes na ito ay dahil ang source ng meme ay totoo at nagpapahayag ng impormasyon at pruweba na siyang nakakuha ng atensyon ng mga tao. Iyan lamang para sa balitang ngayon.